In this video, I will show you 4 easy steps on how I'm making money with affiliate marketing without creating any website for free and how you can do the same. So watch the full video till the end. So in a step 1, you need to find an affiliate product to promote. So there are 3 main categories of products that you can choose. First is high paying low volume affiliate programs. Second one is low paying high volume affiliate programs. And the third one is high ticket affiliate programs, which is my favorite affiliate programs to promote. So first is a high paying low volume affiliate programs. So these affiliate programs pay high commissions. So for example, ClickFunnels. If you don't know what ClickFunnels is, then ClickFunnels helps you to build your funnel. So ClickFunnels also have an affiliate program, and ClickFunnels pays 40% commissions with the products from $97 to $297. So ClickFunnels is a website builder, and ClickFunnels pays 40% monthly recurring commission every single month. So it's a high paying, but very few people are interested in building their funnel. So that's why it's a low volume affiliate program. And the second one is low paying high volume affiliate programs. So this type of affiliate programs pay lower commissions but have a mass interest. So for example, Amazon. So Amazon have their own affiliate program, and if you join Amazon affiliate program, then Amazon will pay you 5 to 10% commission on every product. So if someone click your Amazon affiliate link and they go to Amazon and they purchase anything, then you will get a 5 to 10% commission, depends upon the product. And the third one is high ticket affiliate programs, which is my personal favorite affiliate programs to promote. So these affiliate programs pay high commissions and also have a massive interest. So for example, right now I'm promoting Legendary Marketer, and Legendary Marketer gives people online marketing education and teach people how they can make money online as a freelance digital marketer or affiliate marketer. So Legendary Marketer pays 40% commission on high ticket products. So Legendary Marketer also have a high ticket products that cost $3,000 and $4,000. And if someone purchase high ticket products through my link, then I will get at least $1,000 per sale. And this type of affiliate programs have a value ladder that allows you to make more commissions on the back end. So as I told you before, Legendary Marketer have a front end product which is around $10, but they also have a back end product as a value ladder. So if someone purchases a product, then I will get a commission. Here is a Legendary Marketer website, and as I told you before, Legendary Marketer gives people online marketing education and show people how they can make money online as a freelance digital marketer or affiliate marketer. So if you are a beginner affiliate marketer and right now you don't have any product to promote, then I highly recommend you to start with Legendary Marketer because of the two reasons. First is Legendary Marketer gives people a great affiliate marketing education. So if you are a new, then you need to join Legendary Marketer to get a great affiliate marketing education. And once you get the education, then if you want to promote a Legendary Marketer as an affiliate, then Legendary Marketer allows you to earn high ticket commissions without selling any high ticket products by yourself. Because I told you that Legendary Marketer have a great value ladder as well as a great sales team that will sell high ticket courses to your audience at the back end. And if someone decide to purchase, then you will get a commission without selling any high ticket product by yourself. You can see here Legendary Marketer have a 15-day business builder challenge that will show you how you can start your affiliate marketing business in just 15 days. So if you want to start, then I highly recommend you to start with this challenge. In this challenge, you will learn how you can start your affiliate marketing business step by step in 15 days. And inside the challenge, you will also get your personal one-on-one business plan advisor that will help you to build your customized business plan. So you will get a great affiliate marketing education once you start the 15-day business builder challenge. And if you want to learn more about this challenge, then check the link in the description below. Now in a step 2, I will show you how you can promote affiliate product on TikTok for free. So right now, TikTok is a great opportunity to get thousands and even millions of views on your videos. And if you follow these 4 simple steps, then you can promote affiliate products on TikTok for free. So the first step is you need to find 10 people on the same niche that you are in and follow them. So suppose if you are in affiliate marketing niche, then you need to find the 10 people who are also in the affiliate marketing niche and follow them. Then the second step is you need to find that 10 to 20 top performing pieces of content. So just go into their account and find the videos that got thousands and even millions of views. Then third step is recreate those videos. So don't copy the videos word by word. Just model that content and add your own twist on it. And focus on their hook, story and offer framework that I will show you later in this video. And fourth, the most important step is you need to repeat these steps over and over again. because if you are not consistent, then you will never see any result. So right now I will show you my actual TikTok account, and then I will explain that how I create my TikTok to go viral. So here you can see this is my TikTok account called Future Passive Income, and you can see I create a lots of TikToks on my account. So as I told you, right now I'm promoting Legendary Marketer, and Legendary Marketer teaches people how they can become an affiliate marketer. So I know that my audience is interested in affiliate marketing, or they want to make money online, or they are looking for a passive income stream. That's why I'm creating a content to attract those kind of people inside my business. So right now I will show you one of my TikTok video as an example, and then I will explain that which framework that I'm using to create all of my videos. So now you are going to watch one of my TikTok video, and then I will explain that which framework I'm using. If you're looking for a passive income stream without spending thousands of dollars in something like real estate, then there is one side hustle that will allow you to do that. This side hustle is known as affiliate marketing, because in affiliate marketing you don't need to create any product or service, you don't need to deal with any product fulfillment and no customer service. You just need to focus 100% on marketing, and when someone purchases a product through your link, then you will get a commission. So if you only have 1 to 2 hours a day, then also you can start this affiliate marketing business. So if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, then check the first comment of this video and get instant access of my free affiliate marketing case study, where I show you everything that I'm doing inside my affiliate marketing business and earning commissions. So now you already watched my TikTok video, and now I will explain that which framework I'm using to create this video. So in this video, I use a hook, story and offer framework. So at the beginning of this video, I told people that looking for a passive income stream without spending thousands like in real estate, because I know that my audience is interested in building their passive income stream. That's why I created this hook. And the hook is very important. So the first 3 seconds of your reel is very important. And if you can grab your audience attention in the first 3 seconds, then your audience will watch your video till the end. So that's why I created this hook. And then in a story, I told people that start affiliate marketing, because in affiliate marketing, you don't need to create any product or service, no fulfillment and no customer service. And you are only focusing 100% on marketing. So if you only have 1 to 2 hours a day, then also you can start your affiliate marketing business. So this is my story, and in my story I justify the hook that why affiliate marketing is the best business model to start. And at the end of this video I give people offer, and you can also call it call to action, that if you want my free affiliate marketing case study, then check the first comment, because I know that if my audience is interested in affiliate marketing, then they are also interested in getting my free affiliate marketing case study. Suppose you are in a health niche and you are promoting a product that helps your audience to lose their weight. So you need to use this exact framework to create all of your reels. Now in a step 3, I will show you how you can create a bridge page funnel to build your email list. So as I showed you before, I am creating a TikTok video to attract the people who are interested in make money online or affiliate marketing. And at the end of this video, I give people call to action that if you want my free affiliate marketing case study, then check the link in my bio. So if someone click the link in my bio on my TikTok, then they come to this page. So this is the first page of my funnel, which is also called the landing page. And the main purpose of this page is to capture people email address who visit this page. So in this page, I give people my free affiliate marketing case study. And once they enter their name and email address, then they go to the other page, which is also called the bridge page. And this page, I talk about how they can get access of my free affiliate marketing case study. And I also talk about Legendary Marketer. And if someone click the button below this video, then they go to the sales page of Legendary Marketer, and once they purchase, then I will get a commission. And I already captured their name and email address into this page, so then I will send them email automation sequence and follow up with them and promote Legendary Marketer over and over again. So eventually in future they will purchase and I will get a commission. So right now I will show you my actual funnel so you can easily understand. So here is my TikTok account, and all of my reel I give people call to action that if you want my free affiliate marketing case study, then check the link in my bio. So here is my bio link, and if someone click here, then they come to this page. So this is the landing page, and the main purpose of this page is to capture people's email address. So here I write free affiliate marketing case study reveals our entire affiliate marketing business that allowed us to earn commissions while we are sleeping, without any experience creating products, carrying inventory or dealing with customers. So if someone interested in getting my free affiliate marketing case study, then they will definitely click here. Yes, I want an instant access now. And once they click here, they will see this pop up. And here I write, enter your best email below to receive free case study. So once they enter their name and email address and click here, then they go to this page. So this is the bridge page, and here I write important. Be sure to watch this full video to get access of my free affiliate marketing case study. So here is the short video, and at the beginning of this video, I told people that how they can get access of my free affiliate marketing case study. And later in this video, I talk about Legendary Marketer. I talk about the creator of Legendary Marketer and how Legendary Marketer will help you to make money online as an affiliate marketer. So if you want to learn more about Legendary Marketer, then click the button below this video. And if someone click here, then they come to this page. So this is the sales page of Legendary Marketer, and here we have a short presentation from the creator of Legendary Marketer, Dev Sharp. And inside this presentation, they will explain everything about what my audience get if they decide to purchase a 15-day business builder challenge by Legendary Marketer. And if someone interested, then they click here and they go to the checkout page. And once they purchase a 15-day business builder challenge for $7, then I will get a little $2 commission. And $2 is nothing, but as I told you before, Legendary Marketer have a high ticket backend products. So then Legendary Marketer sales team will introduce high ticket product to my audience who got the 15-day business builder challenge, and once they decide to purchase, then I will get a $1,000 commission. So that is why I will make a high ticket commissions without selling any high ticket product by myself. So that's why I highly recommend you to start with Legendary Marketer, because Legendary Marketer will give you a great affiliate marketing education, and if you want to promote Legendary Marketer as an affiliate, then you will get a $1,000 commission. So if you want to learn more about Legendary Marketer 15-day business builder challenge, then check the link in the description below. And I already captured the name and email address into this page, so I will follow up with them with automated email sequence and promote Legendary Marketer over and over again. I will give you my landing page. I will give you my entire bridge page that you can import with just one click, as well as I will also give you my entire email automation sequence that you can use to promote Legendary Marketer, so you don't need to write any email by yourself. And I will also give you my free affiliate marketing case study that you can give it to your audience to build your email list and promote Legendary Marketer. So if you want to clone my entire affiliate marketing business, then check the link in the description below. So now in step 4, I will show you how you can create email automation to follow up with your leads. So your email is the most important asset of your affiliate marketing business because you own your email list. Suppose you are creating a content on TikTok, right? But what if TikTok will ban your account? Then you will lose everything. But if you have your email list, then no one will take the email list from you. That is why your email list is the most important asset of your affiliate marketing business. And you can follow up with people via email. And as I told you before, you own your email list. And one email is equals to at least $1 per month. So if you have a 100 people email list, then you can make at least $100 per month. And if you have a 10,000 people in your email list, then you can make at least $10,000 per month. So this is the power of your email list. And the main purpose of your email automation sequence is to solve people's objection, provide them additional trainings, and show them social proof of other people. So if you are promoting any product, but your email list have a confusion that the product which will definitely help me to solve my problem or not, and the product is legit or not. So as an affiliate marketer, your job is to remove all the objection of people. So now I will show you my actual email automation sequence, and I show you that how I write my email to promote Legendary Marketer and solve people's objection. So here is the software that I'm using to create my funnel as well as my email automation, and this software is 100% free until you have a 2000 people in your email list. So if you are a beginner affiliate marketer, then I highly recommend you to start with this software, because you will get access of all the tools inside the software even in a free plan. So if you want to get more information about this software, then check the link in the description below. And by using this software, you can also one click import my entire funnel as well as my entire email automation sequence. So you can see here I'm getting people's email address every single day by following the same strategy that I showed you before. So now once I go to email and click on campaign, then you can see here I have a Legendary Marketer case study, and inside this campaign I have a 23 pre-written emails. So if someone enter the name and email address into this page, then they will get a 23 pre-written emails each email per day. So once I click here, you can see here I have a lots of pre-written emails, and the main purpose of my email automation is to solve people's objection, give them additional trainings, and show them other people's social proof. Because right now I'm promoting Legendary Marketer, but my audience have a confusion that Legendary Marketer is legit or not, and legendary marketer will actually help me to make money online as an affiliate marketer or not. So my job as an affiliate marketer to remove people's objection, and once I able to remove all the objection of my audience, then they will definitely purchase legendary marketer through my link and I will get a commission. So that's how I increase my conversion rate. So you can see here, this is the first email, and inside this email I give people access of my free affiliate marketing case study that I promised them in all of my TikTok videos. So if someone click here, then they will get this email, and inside the email I have one link that says click here to get access of the case study. So if someone click here, then they go to this page. So in this page they can get access of my free affiliate marketing case study. So if you are also a beginner, then I highly recommend you to get access of my free affiliate marketing case study, because in this affiliate marketing case study I will show you everything that I'm doing inside my affiliate marketing business. I will show you which product I'm promoting. I will show you my entire funnel as well as my email automation. So if you want to get access of the free affiliate marketing case study, then check the link in the description below. And here you can see in my second email, I introduce myself. So if someone open this email, then inside the email, I talk about how we came from India to New Zealand as a migrant, and right now we are earning very good money by doing affiliate marketing. So if you also want to start, then click here. So once they click here, then they go to the sales page of legendary marketer, and once they watch the presentation and decide to purchase, then I will get a commission. So I have a lots of email. So you can see here in this email, I talk about proof, is legendary marketer legit? So if someone open this email, then inside the email, I talk about the creator of legendary marketer, Dev Sharp. He featured in Entrepreneur magazine, and Entrepreneur is a very popular magazine. So if Dev Sharp will got a chance to feature in this magazine, then definitely legendary marketer is a legit product, because lots of my audience have a confusion that actually legendary marketer is legit or not. So that's why I write this email, and here you can see I have one link. So if someone open this email, then again they go to the sales page of legendary marketer, and once they purchase, then I will get a commission. Now I will show you one more email example so you can easily understand. Here you can see proof affiliate marketing works. So if someone open this email, then inside the email I talk about best strategy for beginners, and if someone click this button, then in this page I have a lots of reviews of people about legendary marketer. You can see here this guy says I made my first ever commission by taking the training from legendary marketer. So I took the screenshot from the Facebook group of legendary marketer. You can see here lots of people are making their first commission by taking the training from legendary marketer. There are lots of different reviews. Here you can see this guy earned $1,050 in just one day by promoting legendary marketer, because I told you before that legendary marketer also have a great affiliate marketing program that will allow you to earn high ticket commissions. So you can see this guy made $1,000 commission. So in this email I show people other people social proof that they got a training from legendary marketer, and right now they are earning their first commission. So if you also want to learn high ticket affiliate marketing, then click here, and once they click here, again they go to the sales page of legendary marketer, and once they purchase, then I will get a commission. So you need to be very strategic about your email automation sequence. And if you also want to start with legendary marketer, then I will give you my entire email automation sequence, so you don't need to write any email by yourself. And if you decide to join 15-day business builder challenge by legendary marketer, then definitely you will get a great affiliate marketing education, as well as you can also promote legendary marketer and earn a high ticket commission. So if you are new affiliate marketer, then I highly recommend you to start with the 15-day business builder challenge. So if you use these 4 simple steps, then you can make money with affiliate marketing without creating any website for free. And now if you have any question related to this video, then just comment below this video and I will definitely give you reply back. See you in the next video.